Hello children, good afternoon. Now I am going to take your 8th standard English, right? Already I have taken two classes for you. That is, first one is basic, second one is that I have started and finished that first lesson also. Okay. Before starting the next exercise, let me ask you a few questions what I taught you in the last class. Okay. First one, which lesson I taught you in the last class? Our food, right? Then food means what? The from where you are getting energy. With the help of that food we are getting the energy, right? Then what are then all the food is very helpful for health? No, it's not. All the food is not helpful for health. Why? Because all the food what we take inside that will not contain the heavy amount of that nutrients, carbohydrate, fats, like that, right? Some variety of foods have a variety of some nutrients, right? Like that. Then junk foods, if we eat junk foods continuously, what will happen? It will not it may cause fever for us, like that. So many diseases may come, like children. Then now we'll start with the exercise, right? Then in this class I make you to read that lesson. Okay, take out your textbook. Then from first line to up to here I am going to read now. You should keep a finger on that line, whichever line I am going to read now. Then if you get any difficulties or difficult words, just you should underline with a pencil. Okay. Then now I will start the reading. First, after this lesson reading, I am going to give you question answers. Okay. Lesson number 1, the food we eat. All living things need food to live. Plants make their own food from soil, water and sunshine. Animals eat plants or other animals for their food. Human beings eat all kinds of food which they get from plants as well as animals. We need energy to work, to think and to play. We need energy even when we are asleep. Our heart needs energy to keep beating. We need energy even to breathe. And it is our food alone that provides us all this energy. Then next para. Every day million of cells in our body die. They have to be replaced by new cells. Again, it is our food that provides the material to build the new cells. The more active a person is, the more energy his body consumes. Children are always more active than older people. Their bodies are still growing. They need more energy and more bodybuilding materials. Therefore, it is very important for them to take a rich, nutritious and wholesome food. Okay. Then next para, food supplies us the substances that we need to live and grow. We call these substances nutrients. They include proteins, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals and water. Next, no one nutrient is more important than others. Each one has its own work to do. A healthy, balanced diet has the right proportion of all six nutrients. In this pair, what are they have given here? Important nutrients. Nutritious food means if a food contains all type of nutrients, we call it as a nutritious food. What are those nutritious nutrients? Carbohydrates, then fats, water, minerals, vitamins, these are all called as a nutrients. If a food contains these all the types of nutrients, that food we call as a very perfect food and a nutritious food, right? Next page, we'll start here. Not all foods contain all the nutrients, so the important thing is not just the quantity of food we eat, but also the kind of food we eat. Then, people who have enough to eat may still be ill because they are eating too much of one kind of food and not enough of another. Next, for a fully grown person, there is one sure way to know if he is or she is taking in the right amount of energy. We can do so by weighing ourselves regularly. So, see, to improve our health, then what happened in our health, then what changes are happened in our health, we have to weigh our body. Okay. Next, if we take in more energy than we consume, the excess is converted into fat. This fat is stored in our body and make us fatter. If we take in less energy than we are consuming, our body draws from the fat already stored in it, and we become thinner, and oversupply of energy is as harmful as its undersupply. Okay. Now let's look at the various nutrients that provide the energy needed by our body to be in a good health. They have given here some nutrients. Okay, first one is carbohydrates. Now discuss about the carbohydrates. Most energy in our food comes from carbohydrates. The main source of carbohydrates are whole milk, bread, peas, beans, potatoes and fruit. Okay. Next, proteins. Proteins are true bodybuilders. Our bones, muscles, nerves and skin are all composed of proteins. Next, food rich in proteins are eggs, meat, fish, cheese, milk, bread, potatoes, nuts, peas, beans and lentils. Okay. Fats. Next, how many nutrients we have completed? Two nutrients. First one is the carbohydrate, second one is the proteins, right? Next we move on to the fats. Okay. We can put fat into two main groups. Fats from animals, meat, cream, cheese and eggs. Fats from plants, oil and oils from various nuts. Fats are an important part of our food, but too much fat can be harmful. So much of fat is also very harmful. Why? Because the man will become very fat. He may not able to walk and to do some work. It's highly impossible if our body filled with the fat. Okay, that fat comes from eating the fat material. Okay, like junk foods and all. Next, vitamins. Our body needs vitamins to stay healthy. No food article has all the vitamins we need. So, it is important to eat a mixture of things. Some people take vitamin pills, but we don't need a pill if we eat well. Here, some vitamin pills means some tablets they will take, right? It is not necessary to make a man fat with the help of taking that medicines. If we have a proper nutrient of food in our body, we automatically we will be healthy, right? Instead of taking the medicines, we should have a proper amount of food. Okay. Minerals. Our body needs some minerals also. For example, calcium is needed for strong bones and teeth. We get it from milk and cheese. Iron is needed for the red cells in our body. We get it from eggs, pulses and green leafy vegetables. Okay. There are many other minerals that our body needs. The best way to have them all is to take a good variety of food. Okay. Then water. Two-thirds of weight of our body is the water. Much of it is constantly lost in the form of urine, sweat and the breathed out air. We should take in as much water as we can daily. It's better to have our water more than 3 or 2 liters. Okay, it's very good for our health. Green salad has in it 9 tenths of water fiber. Next we move on to the fiber. Now I am going to reading the lessons. Okay, then I told you to sit with your pencil and textbook. Wherever you get difficult words, you should just underline. Okay. Next, fiber. Fiber is known as the roughage. It helps to grip the food as well as it passes through our intestines. The best way to remain free from the constipation is to take a lot of fiber. Since the body doesn't absorb fiber, we don't become fatter whatever quantity we take of it. High fiber natural foods are always better than the modern factory made foods. Okay. Next, most important of all, our food should be fresh. It should be well cooked cooked and it should be made attractive to look at when served. Our food digest well if we feel tempt to eat it. Okay, it's your lesson. I taught you this lesson in the last class also. Then in this class, what I made you to read that class. Okay, now we move on to the exercise. Okay, before that exercise, I am going to give you a dictation words. Okay, dictation words means difficult words. Okay, then as I told you, two books you have in your hand, right? ESW and ECW. ESW for whatever we are going to teach you in the class, you have to note it neatly. Then in that book only you have to do the homework, whatever we are going to give you. Okay. In the I think last class I told you to learn the meanings, right? But in this class you have to write with the date, today's date. Keep today's date. What I am going to write on the board, you should copy in the HW, EHW. Okay. First one, what? Keep today's date at the corner 28/7/2020. Okay. Keep today's date at the corner. After this, leave a line. Put a headline that is the food we eat. Unit first. The food we eat. Okay. The food we eat. After this, leave one line. Dictation words. Dictation words. Okay. Dictation words. First one. Nutritious. Here. At the end of your page, they have given with the red lines, red mark, with the red pens. That only I am going to give you in a dictation words. Nutritious. First one is nutritious. 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 Okay. Here. This time I am going you to make you write in the HW. In the next time I am giving you for yourself. Okay. Second one, wholesome. Third one, wholemeal. Fourth one, I hope you are seeing. Fourth one, lentils. 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 Okay. Next, fifth one, minerals. Sixth one, proportion. Okay. Seventh one, balance. Balanced diet. Eighth one, carbohydrates. Ninth one, proteins. Tenth one, harmful. Okay. These 10 dictation words I am going to give you in this class. Note these all 10. I will give you 2 minutes time. Okay. Dictation words. First one, nutritious, wholesome, wholemeal, lentils, minerals, proportion, balanced diet, carbohydrates, proteins and harmful. Okay. Note these all the dictation words in your HW. I will give you 2 minutes time. I think you have written. Still you have not written. Pause the video and see those. Okay. Next we move on to the exercise. Second way. Put this one first way. Okay. Second way. Second way. That is answer the following questions. See. Answer each questions briefly. Okay. Answer each questions briefly. Put a second main. Answer each question briefly. Okay. See, I am going to write only answers on the board. It's better to take a textbook as early as possible. Already 15 days has passed. I am going to write only answers. Okay. First question: how do plants get their food? As I taught you in the class, how do plants get their food? Plants, how they get the food? Will they depend on animals? No. Then how they prepare? They prepare a food with the help of photosynthesis. This comes in science. Okay. Photosynthesis. To make a photosynthesis process, what are the things are needed there? Sunshine, water, then air. These all the things are needed. Na? So, in your textbook, they have not mentioned the word photosynthesis. Okay. So, what they have given in your textbook? The plants prepare their food from soil, water, and sunshine. This much is enough. Okay. Plants get their food. First question answer. See, now you are high school students. Actually, the question answers are not taught in the classes. It's for your self-study. But for this class and for first lesson, I am going to give you a question answers. In the next class, I am not going any question. I am not going to you give any question answers. Okay. First one. How do plants get their food? Plants get their food. Get their food with the help of from air, sunshine, and water. Okay, this is the first answer. Okay, if a plant uses all the things and through the process that the plant can prepare its food, which is that process, as I said you, photosynthesis. Okay, with the help of photosynthesis process, the plants prepare their own food. Okay, second one, what I hope you all understood the first question. Second question, what do animals have for their food? Animals eat plant and other animals too for their food. Okay, how do animals? Second one, animal eat plants or other animals for their food. Okay, animals eat plants or other animals for their food. That animals never ever prepare their own food, they are depend on others. Okay. Then third question, what do you mean by healthy balanced food? Which type of food we call as a healthy balanced food? The healthy balanced food means if a food contain all the type of nutrients, that food be called as a healthy balanced food. Okay. The food which has a right the food which has the right proportion of all the nutrients like proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals and water. Such a food we called as balanced food, healthy balanced food, healthy balanced food. Okay. See, first question. How do the plants prepare their food? Plants prepare their own food with the from air, sunshine and water. Okay. Second one, how that animals get the food? Animals eat plants or other animals for their food. Third question. What is that? Oh, which food do we call as a balanced food? Okay. This is the food which has the right proportion of all the nutrients. All the nutrients in the sense proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals and waters. Such a food we call as a healthy balanced food. Okay. Next. Fourth question. Why does our body need new cells every day? Daily ನಮಗೆ new cells ಬೇಕು ಯಾಕೆ? That daily the cells may die. So to we are getting a new cells daily. Okay. That one only we are going to write in answer. I think you have written first one. Let me write the first answer. Next, because fourth question, because every day million of cells in our body die. So our body need new cells every day. Okay. So because every day million of cells in our body die, so our body need a new cells every day. Okay. Then fifth question. Look at fifth question. Just I will discuss how to write the answer. These 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th for your homework, right? 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, you have to write, search the answer and write this in HW and show me. Okay. Fifth question, what is that? One may have enough to eat and yet fall in how? Everybody have a food and daily they will eat a food. Okay. All the people will not have a daily good food. They may eat a junk food and all. If they eat much junk food, instead of taking the proper food, they may feel ill. Why? Why? Because they didn't have a proper amount of nutritious food. Okay. Then sixth one, what is the importance of food for a human body? They have given there. Why we need a food? We need a food to get a energy and to work. Okay. If we want to become a whole day active, we should have a food. If we didn't have a food, what we feel? We feel nervous. Okay. Then what they ask here? What is the importance of food for the human body? The importance of human body is to get a energy. Okay. Next. Eighth question. What are nutrients? What nutrients are more important than others? Okay. Then you have to write this. They have given a definition of nutrients in the textbook. Okay. See that textbook and write these answers for this all the questions. Okay. Still fourth question I have completed. 5, 6, 7, 8 for your homework. Okay. Next, complete each sentence in a suitable manner. Look at second main, third main. In your textbook it's a third main, but in your textbook it's a second main. Roughage is not a nutrient food, but it is a dash. It is a fiber. Okay. Then you have to search all the answers for this question. Read the lesson. If I made you to write these all the answers here only, you will not read the lesson. So I am giving you this all as your homework. Okay. I think you may do this sincerely and you submit me the homework within a week. Okay. This main and this main I am giving you as a homework. Okay. Next, third main. List in the form of a table the 6 nutrients needed by a human body. Showing the importance and source, you can go to internet for help. See this about in this lesson what they have given, what are the nutrients are present in the food, then which type of food, which type of nutrients are present. Okay. Then see they have given here nutrients important for the body source. Write here nutrients, proteins. Then what for what purpose it is needed. Okay. Then source. Then in which food we will get a proteins like that. You should write here. Understood, children? I hope you all understood whatever I taught in this class. Then remaining what is that? Hordes and mass these words with their definitions. If this one I will continue in the next class. Okay. Thank you, children. Then homework I am going to give you now. I hope you all understood. If you get any queries, you may come to school and ask me. Okay. This first lesson is related to science chapter. Okay. So it is bit easy. Homework. Write first May, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th questions and second May in EHW. Okay. What is homework? Write first May. It is your first May in a textbook. In EHW from textbook. Okay. From textbook. Okay. See, it's the first May. Write the first May of 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th questions and second May. Second May. Right? How many questions are there? 7 fill in the blanks are there. Should write those all the in textbook and ESW also and submit me that homework within a week. Okay. Thank you, children. I hope you all understood this lesson and if you have any queries and doubts, you can come to school and ask me. Okay. Thank you, children. Be safe at home and don't roam here and there. It's better to give a concentrate on your studies. Why? Why? Because they have lost already 4 or 3 months like that. Okay. Be serious on studies. Thank you, children. See you in the next class.